once again, we're making a freaking video. I don't know why, but yeah, maybe because we can't sleep. And look at Mary Jen, she's doing some freakishly things. She's making a dark out of herself. Yeah, oh yeah, I want to let you know that I made her a piercing right here. Yeah, and she's saying, let me try. So you go speak English, you motherfucker.
I'm going to speak English, you motherfucker. wait. Tawag dito. Wait lang. May sasabihin na. Nakalimutan ko eh. We're not drunk, ah. Hindi kami drunk. Stupid. We're not fucking drunk. We're just fucking unting drunk. We're drunk, pero konti lang ah. Ganyan lang. No, we're drunk na ba? I don't know what drunk means, but ano ba ibig sabihin na drunk? Si pala yun. ah, that's next kung ano makakantayin natin eh. Heaven knows. Di ba heaven knows naman yun?
See how stupid she is. She's a baka. Oh yeah, we're going to sing. Oh, I don't know, my voice sucks, but
I'm gonna
don't pull the freaking mic.
Ako mo nakakanta.
So here, siya daw kakanta.
Na may lyrics! Ang hirap eh.
Hirap daw kasi English.
Parting time.
Okay, she wanna sing parting time.
We want to dedicate this song for the girl who miss Momo so much. M-O-M-O, Momo.
M-O-M-O.
I remember the day when you hear me. Wait lang! Umayos ka, te! Oh, memory. Umayos ka kasi. Last one na lang to. Last try na to. Umayos ka, man. Ay, Jejemon!
Oh yeah.
Bakit Jejemon? May napopost ko sa Facebook. Kadiri, Jejemon. Ay, hindi. Ay, Jejemon pala may-ari eh. Kaya naman pala eh. I remember the days when you're here with me. Those laughters and research and breeze. Memories that we have for so long. It's me and you. Please turn away. You left me all alone. Fuck you. Huwag ka maulit. Go on. Do what you want. Please don't leave me. You break my heart. Hey, what should I do? Babe, I'm missing you. Please don't disappear. These are the words you should hear. Fuck you. Time and time again, I wish that you were here. I don't wanna lose you, girl. I need you back to me. Bakit naghang?
Yung video mo, naghang.
Hindi kaya.
Sige, hindi siya naghang.
Ay, yak!
Ako naman, huwag mo sirain
Ako
yung mic.
kakanta. I don't wanna lose you, girl. I need you back to me. I don't wanna lose you, baby. Can't you see? Oh, I need of you. You've been a part of. I will someday you'll be back home.
Fucking shit.
'Cause I really